Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best here again for another video, another unboxing of yet another gadget that we've got. This one's the blue Yeti, the silver model, and it's been there in the market for a very long time. I was looking for a USB condenser microphone. Remember, I've got a Rode NT1, I've got a Rode NT USB. This is my third microphone that I'm now testing. I've tried a couple others, Audio-Technica AT2020. This is a bit lower if you were to sort of rank these, but it's not a bad product because it's got a higher price tag than the AT2020. But yeah, we'll have to sort of test and find out, because I've not tested this yet before. And just so you know, the blue branding has been acquired by Logitech, so this is in essence a Logitech product. Blue Yeti microphone, the silver model that we have. This is a USB microphone. It connects directly to your laptop or your phone, and you can record on the go. And that's the benefit of having a USB microphone, which is also a condenser microphone. It's got the condenser capsule that would help record crisp and clear vocals and instruments and things like that. As you can see in the pictures, there are quite a few options available: mute button, volume, and there's also audio monitor which you can connect, so you can monitor your voice. So on the side you've got 4 settings, infinite possibilities and things like that. It's also written in, I think, in French, I'm not sure though. But yeah, it's got the pattern symbols and things like that. So you can also use Cardioid pattern. You can use omnidirectional, bidirectional and stereo. So you can use it in your recording studio and things like that. We have guests and hosts and things which you can do. You can do music with instruments and vocals together using the bidirectional pattern, which would record 2 people, one playing the instrument, one singing or vocals and things. So it's quite interesting as a product, and I was quite interested in having this. It's taken a while for me to get here. Anyway, but that we have, we've got this. Let me just open. Well, let's just quickly have a look at what else do we have. Well, not much here, just serial number and branding and product information and things like that. There's no price tag anywhere on the box. No, nothing. No price tag on the box. System requirements and Logitech information, shipping information, things like that. No price tag. I'll reveal the price after I've opened this. I've got this for a sale. It was a limited time deal, although the price keeps changing, and it also is dependent on the color of the model of the product. This one's coming quite cheap and handy. These at the moment, condenser microphones are like static in terms of what they offer, because all the condenser microphones are equally good. There's no major difference in them. Like there's no huge difference in terms of the way they record sounds or the way they provide you the output. Nothing in the box. So buy yourself one, and it should be reasonably priced. It should do its job properly, and that's the way to go. I'm looking for my scissors or knife or something. Can't find it right at the moment, so it's going to be nails. Sorry about that, but we are fine managing that. Okay, there we have it. The box has been opened, and what we see inside is the USB cable, USB-A to the microphone USB cable, as you can see, and that's what it is. Let's have a look inside. Some product information: professional multi-pattern USB mic for recording and streaming. It's got a limited warranty of 1 year, I think. I'll have to look at that. It's just the unboxing, so I'm going to do another video with a full review with the warranty information out. That's the warranty guide. And what does it say? Let's quickly check. English. Okay, so this is no, sorry, it's not. That's the age for kids. I think should be somewhere. Hardware warranty. It's 2 years. Yeah, that's 2 years. 2 years warranty. 2 years. So you'll have to sort of register this device online to be able to get your 2 years warranty anyway. Okay, so in the box you've got the microphone itself with its stand, looking beautiful. The silver model is one I have been looking for. And let me just put it on the table then, have a look at the box if you've got anything else. Nothing else in the box so I can see. So I'm going to put the box on the side, keep everything to the side, just leave the microphone here, and it's all sealed, packed, I suppose. No, it's not. Okay, it's quite heavy, quite big in size, which I was not really expecting, because the Rode microphones are quite light, not as big as this one, and Audio Technica is also pretty much as the Rode microphone, and pretty much others that I've tested so far or I've used in the past. They're not been as big and bulky as this one is, but it looks pretty nice. Like as a professional microphone of a professional great quality, this looks pretty nice. If I wanted to just show you this, this looks pretty nice. I don't know where the capsule is. I know it's all around, because we've got the bidirectional pattern as well, omnidirectional, unidirectional as well. So we'd have to find out. What else do we have? At the bottom we've got the connector, so the USB connector here. It's got some pin serial number information on the side, and Logitech Europe. This is the manufacturing information. This is the monitor, so you can connect the 3.5mm headphone jack to your headphones, and you can monitor your own vocals or the instruments that you'd be playing. That helps you to identify gaps or issues with your vocals and improve while you're singing. It's quite useful. I've heard from many reviewers why this is required. It's definitely an important piece, because it helps you monitor your own vocals, well, especially for singers, and the singers would agree. This is something that's very important. But yeah, so we've got the mute button here. Not as clicky as you'd expect, but it's fine. And then there's the volume, volume up, volume down of your vocals. There's also audio monitor on the Rode NT USB. So that comes in quite handy, because you're monitoring your own vocals, and you just don't need just one of this volume manager. You need 2 of them. It's got just one, which is not too bad. At least we've got one. And at the back we've got the pattern, so different types of patterns that you'd need. This is the, as you can see, this is the pattern for unidirectional. This is the cardioid, this is the bidirectional, and this is, I think, what was this? This was, okay, I've lost the box. Let's have a look. There's the box. And as you can see, this is the cardioid. This one's the cardioid on number 3. This is the stereo. Okay, this is the stereo. So you could use your instrument with this, and that would be the stereo. This one's omnidirectional, so from everywhere across the mic. You could use your audio across the mic, so multiple musicians perhaps could use this, and it would record the sound properly. Hopefully properly. We'll have to sort of test this out anyway. The next one's cardioid. So cardioid's going to be solo, just yourself monitoring and using your vocals. I'll be using a little bit more of this for my testing, because I'm going to be testing it myself, of course. And finally, the last one here is the bidirectional, where you have two people contributing to the recording, and then you've got the gain, so you can increase and decrease the gain. I think I was yeah, gain, that's the one which will help reduce the noise or increase the vocals or the volume, etc. These are the patterns that we have. It's got a nice grill. The whole mesh thing is pretty nice, silver, and the whole thing it's all aluminum. This is all aluminum, some sort of alloy, which is good. At the bottom you've got a nice nice casing that's going to protect or keep things nice and sturdy from moving. It's kind of a foam stuck on at the bottom, and the stand, it's quite durable. It's quite strong and durable. You can also I think adjust this from the sides, make it tight and loose, and adjust the microphone. Stays static, quite sturdy on the table, which is great. And I think that's pretty much this microphone, really. As I can see, the blue logo here. How can I miss this? There's the blue logo, as you can see here. Looks pretty good. And I think that's pretty much it, really, for this video. That's how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to do another video, as I mentioned, after this, once I've completed a full review of my own review of this device. So for the moment, this is what it is. If you have any questions or queries, as usual, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care and have a good rest of your day. Cheers, bye bye.